The goal of a smoke test is to check if the test script we have written and the application we want to test are working. But why is it called a smoke test? Are we setting something on fire? Well, yes and no. The term smoke test has its origins in hardware testing. When a new piece of an electronic equipment was first turned on, test engineers would closely inspect it to see if smoke arose from the device. If it did, it would indicate a fundamental failure in the assembly or design of the hardware. If we were testing a new bridge, we would only drive a vehicle or two over it and check if it still stands, nothing more. The term smoke testing was later adopted by the software industry to describe a set of tests that checks the basic functionality of an application. If it passes the smoke test, it is considered stable enough to proceed to further testing. If it fails, then the application has some fundamental issues that need to be addressed immediately. For example, if the application is offline, why bother to send millions of simulated users to it when it cannot even handle a single one? So with a smoke test, we are just sending one virtual user to the application to check if it responds. While doing so, we are also checking our test script to see if it works as expected. One small bug in our code can also lead to wasted time. It also helps us establish some baseline values. Having only 2 or 3 users using the application is an absolute best case in terms of the load the infrastructure needs to handle. So we should take a good look at the metrics, as most likely they will not get any better.